Hey guys, hi, Bryson here and welcome to my show, and today we're going to take a look at a YouTuber that basically tried day trading, but to make it even more risky, he basically used a bot to automate the entire thing and try to make him money and basically double his money. So in this video, we're going to be reacting to it and also tell you exactly what I think about this entire thing about day trading and also using a bot to get you returns on your money, okay? Sounds insane, I know, but it's real. It's a real video. We're gonna see it right now. By the way, I also do upload this on the channel every single day, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And on top of that, also destroy the like button. It helps a lot with the channel, so thank you guys so much. Now, without further ado, let's get started and see exactly what happens when you use a bot to basically go out there and do some day trading. Ooh.
In last week's video, we set up a day trading robot that bought and sold currency pairs to hopefully have it make money automatically trading the forex markets. If you haven't watched that video,
so this guy already did one of these videos, but with the forex markets. And if you ask me, forex is like a super crazy thing like right now in 2020. But in reality, I would not invest my money into that stuff whatsoever. But that's just my opinion, okay?
But the outcome was that the first bot we set up took our $1,000 account and turned it into $600 overnight. So
the first time he actually did this, he lost around $400 or 40% of his money, you know? You know the thing about losing money and like risking it like this, guys, is that, you know what? Every time I look at money, I always think back to when I was making $8 every single hour. And I'm like, hey, you know, $8 an hour and I lost $400. That's a ton of my time that I basically lost. So I don't really go out there and risk my money when it comes to these things whatsoever.
However, the second bot we set up and gave the remaining $600 we had on the account, we let it run, and a day later, our account was hovering around $1,100, meaning that the bot essentially doubled the money in like 24 hours.
That's insane. That is insane, okay? By the way, do not start getting any ideas in your head. Oh, Tommy, you know what? I'm gonna get the second bot, and that way I'm gonna double my money. In reality, you can just as easily just lose all your money, okay? You're talking about algorithms, and the most risky thing in the world is basically day trading and also the forex markets. And if you're gonna use a bot for that, then your risk level just goes from here all the way to up here, okay? So don't get any ideas, okay?
Why did I not link the second profitable bot in the description of the last video? Turns out there was a lot of people who wanted the name of the bot, which I mean is fair. It doubled the money in the video, but not only did I get bombarded with emails, DMs, and comments about the bot name, there was also a lot of people claiming that the video was rigged, that I was trying.
You see what I'm saying, guys? Like, I knew for a fact people were gonna try to do this, okay? I knew for a fact. Like, everyone wants to do this now. Oh my gosh, give me the second bot, give me the second bot, okay?
But until then, I didn't want to drop the link because someone could watch my video, see that I doubled my money in like 2 days, go all in with their savings and use the same bot. But what happens if they lose that money? I kind of put them onto that bot. So although legally speaking, I'm not responsible, entertainment purposes only, baby, I would still feel kind of bad. So that's why I held off.
Do you imagine someone putting out their entire like savings in a bot, bro, and it'd be like, okay, just do your thing, and then losing all of it? It's like playing the lottery, you know? And a lot of people love playing the lottery. I don't play the lottery. The odds are against you. Do not play the lottery, okay? Just put your money into an ETF and call it a day if you don't know what you're doing.
Now come Sunday afternoon, the market opens, things are moving nicely, the bot is executing trades, and I go to sleep that night, wake up the next morning, check my magical money doubling day trading robot setup, only to find out that we lost around 90% of the account overnight like an...
Do you see what I'm talking about, guys? Do you see what I'm talking about, okay? He lost 90% of the money with the same second bot that everybody wanted to use, okay? And by the way, guys, okay, the idea is this. You know, what happens if I created a bot, okay, and I also have some interest in what you're actually trading, and I can basically manipulate you to basically make trades, and then boom, I make a profit, okay? These algorithms right here are based solely on luck. If the stock market or the forex market actually predicted, don't you think that the SEC would have a big problem with this? The answer is yes, okay? Yes, it cannot. This is so risky, not worth it.
So this bot doubled our money in one night, then lost it all on a different one. If you're into those kinds of odds, boy, do I have a game for you. Given that this bot played out this way, I'm glad I didn't link in the description of that.
Yeah, but every single bot is going to play out like this, bro. Like, every single bot is going to play out like this. There is no bot out. Tell me, but you don't know about AI. There is no, bro. Day traders, 80% of them, professionals, spend like the entire life doing this. 80% of them lose money every single year. How is a bot supposed to basically go out there and make algorithmic decisions to basically make you a ton of money? The answer is no, they cannot, okay? So
last video because people could have saw the 100% gains, put some money into it, and I mean, why would you not? But they would end up blowing the entire portfolio the way I did, and they might not have a YouTube channel that funds their gambling trading. Anyways, that Monday I put out.
Imagine this, bro. This guy just wasted a whole $900, okay? By the way, you know, it makes me mad. It makes me a little mad because basically, when I had when I had, what was it, like a part-time job back in college, I was making $8, you know? So $900 divided by $8, that would have been around 112 hours of my time. You know, although now I make like around $23,000 every single month, I get that. But the idea of wasting all this money on a bot when you know the odds are like this, I just don't like it, you know. But I get it. Entertainment purposes early. He also got a lot of views and a lot of subscribers, so I get the whole idea. But kind of messes me up, you know. I might do this idea though. I might do it. I'm a hypocrite. Yeah.
And a lot of the same people also said that there are bots that can work, but none of this 100% returns in the day talk. So if they called me blowing my account, then maybe they're right about there being profitable bots out there, which is why I put up that poll on my Instagram, because I want to continue the search for a profitable bot. But it's
wow, this guy can talk, man. He talks for a very long time without breathing. But, you know, the idea is, you know, there are no bots out there that do this, you know. And there's this one guy putting ads up on YouTube saying like, hey, I found a profitable day trading bot. All you have to do is use it and you're going to double your money every single night and all you have to do is sleep. I don't know, man. Like, YouTube should really keep an eye on all these advertisements that are coming out now, you know. It kind of messes me up.
But the two most popular suggestions were, first of all, R2-D2, which is a fictional robot from Star Wars. And the second one was an actual day trading bot by Blue Edge Financial called Titan G7. So I'm here on their website and they have an affiliate program, which is maybe why it was suggested so many times, not sure. But in order to get access to this Titan G7 bot, you actually have to buy Blue Edge Financial's full Forex course. They don't just sell the bot separately. You're gonna have to go ahead and cop the $300 course to get access.
So there you go. You know, that's the catch. You know, if we're gonna give you this bot that makes all of these algorithmic decisions to basically get you money or basically lose your money, and again, you know, it's a bot, things are gonna happen. So there you go, a liability expense covered. However, we're gonna have you buy this course right here for $300, teaching you how to do Forex trading. But in reality, if you lose all your money, it's none of our business, you know. $300.
Access to the bot, and this website says that the bot trades upon an indicator called the bank's secret indicator, which
the bank's secret indicator, bro. This is such scammy. This is so scammy and such like little like teaks in marketing, you know, to get that person like, oh my gosh, Jimmy, did you hear? What happened? Well, you know, I found this bot. Okay, what about it? Well, in reality, all you have to do is pay $300 and you get all the bank's secret, because literally banks don't pay millions of dollars in salaries every single year for these people, but no, they actually use a bot, and that bot runs the algorithm, but the government, they don't tell you about it. So we actually got the secrets here from a guy that basically was in the bank and he worked there. This story got very long very quickly, but you get the point, okay? It's all BS.
And with that, I transferred another $1,000 worth of Bitcoin into the brokerage, from there into the MT4 account, and at that point, I went ahead and went through with the purchasing process of this bot. It turns out it wasn't $300, but in fact $147 per month.
Oh my God. Oh my God, $147 per month. And I can see people be like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna put 1,000. I lost that money this month, but next month I'm gonna put another 1,000 and see exactly how it performs. You know, I gotta do it for at least like an entire year. End of the year, you lose $12,000 plus the membership fees. What are you doing?
This month, which gave me access to the client area. Here they had instructions on how to install the bot using a virtual private server.
And I wonder why they're using Bitcoin, you know, so it can't be tracked, so they can't get in trouble, so they can evade taxes. Maybe, I don't know, just putting things out there. You know.
There's 7 total bots and they are each currency pair specific. So I set them up according to the parameters on their website, and I chose the most aggressive option, which I believe means that every trade is going to be executed using 1.5% of your total account. And with that, I let it run. Now there were actually a few other bot suggestions from the Instagram poll, so I'll go ahead and put some of them up in case you guys want to do your own research on some of them.
Right off the bat, you know, guys, whenever I make a video about Bitcoin and how much of a bad idea it is to invest into it, everyone's like, no, you know what? Bitcoin is bad, but, you know, the XRP coin is actually better. Or, you know what? The Fortnite coin is actually better. The answer is there's always like this new alternative, something else. But in reality, if it's BS, it's BS, okay? If you want to make money, okay, the answer is invest your money into an index fund, okay? If you are wasting your money on this stuff, man, I just don't understand it. I'm not gonna spend 112 hours of my time, literally, like gone in a day, with a bot. It makes no sense, okay? I don't gamble. Go to Las Vegas.
I'm not associated with the one I installed or any of these on the screen. Please exercise caution and use them at your own risk.
The results are in.
Parabola, it's
Yeah, this guy's hilarious. And what is up with these ads?
also, there was people who brought up the point of why would anyone sell a bot if it works? With other online businesses, you have to
Yeah, oh my gosh, man. You know, a great thing about this is this, guys. If you guys don't know, there's something called the sneaker market, right? The retail market. And basically, to get a sneaker that's very valuable, you have to get in very quickly and you have to reserve the sneaker. But it's very hard to do that because thousands of people are trying to get it at the same time. So they make these bots to basically be able to actually get those sneakers and actually order them very quickly to actually sell them and make money. But the answer is, to get those bots, they actually cost like thousands of dollars. And on top of that, they're limited in quantity, like very limited in quantity. And are those real? The answer is yes. I've used them before because basically, but this right here, something that can theoretically make you billions of dollars, why would it be out there, basically out there as a bot for 300 bucks or like for free? The answer is it's not. It's not. It's not.
To put in a lot of work to make them successful, so a course type of thing does make sense. But if you have a bot that is actually profitable, can't you just keep on compounding your money and growing it exponentially without much effort once it's set up? So that's an interesting point. I'm curious to see what you guys think about that.
I think it's BS, bro. And I don't think you should be recommending any of those bots. I get people want to see it, but I would like let people be like, oh, go on Reddit and find it. Like, I would never recommend any of this stuff, you know, because some people will try it, and you know for sure someone's gonna try this.
And after 2 days of using this new bot, I can tell this one is a lot more tame, which is nice. But we didn't make money. We have a $6 loss trade closed, and the open trades are currently hovering around negative $20. But I do like how this bot is slower, not as risky, so I'm probably gonna put some more money into it because I feel like this one will not as likely blow the entire.
So this one's kind of like more like, I guess, like better suited because it's not making as much trades and it's actually taking more risks. But the answer is overall, man, like what's the point of this? You know, like what's the point of having like this random bot doing all these things? But tell me, what about like people that use like, you know, like bots to basically trade stocks, like, you know, like long term, and also do like tax aversions? The answer is, like, you know, that's different. That's like different, okay? That's very simple things you can do. But to basically go out there and say, hey, I can trade stocks like I'm Ricky or something like that, the answer is, come on, man, let's be serious here.
Account in a day, and I'm paying like $140 a month for it, so I kind of need to have more money on the line so I can make more than what I pay for the bot monthly if I continue doing so. But it's not.
Do you know how much money you actually need in an account to be able to make that much money back? The answer is this, guys, okay? Say, for example, it's costing you $140 every single month, right? If you're getting back, for example, say a 5% return, or for example, let's be serious here, right? So you're getting back even, for example, a 2% return, right? Divided by 2, you times it by 100, you're gonna need in that account around $7,000, okay? What happens if the bot loses all your money? The answer is you just lost all of your money, bro. It's so risky.
Not very action packed. I don't know. I'm gonna try to test it for a while before I make any kind of update on it, since so many people requested it. I feel like there's some hype around this bot. I might continue updating you guys on all of this on my Instagram, so I don't.
Alright, guys, so obviously, like, he's plugging his Instagram, he's talking about the bot. I'll continue making these videos. The answer is, you know what? The answer is, if you're gonna take this as like, hey, you know what? I'm also gonna try and see how it works. The answer is, you have to remember, right? He makes money by making videos about this stuff, okay? It's like, for example, if I'm making a video saying like, hey, I'm risking this much money doing this, I'll keep you guys updated every time I make one of those videos, and I'm getting back, like, for example, 100,000 views on this video, 400,000 on the other video. In total, he's gonna make all the money back he spent on these videos plus more, because again, he's also investing money for his YouTube channel in a sense. But overall, if you are a normal person and you want to invest your money, this is by far like the riskiest thing you could probably do with your money. You might as well just give it to a random person in the street, like, hey, can you make me some money, like send them candy, and just like forget about it, okay? Don't do this. Overall, very, very good video entertainment wise, but overall very bad idea and very bad concept. It's the equivalent of playing the lottery but on steroids. That's my opinion here. But comment down below and let me know, what do you guys think about this? And comment down below and let me know, should I try doing this on my channel? Comment down below, let me know. The answer is no. No. Maybe. I don't know. You know, maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know. And as always, if you enjoyed the video right here, well, like this video. On top of that, also start the channel, hit the bell so you get notified. On top of that, follow me on Instagram, time Bryson. And before I go, if you want to watch another video, okay, on how this lady right here makes $153,000, but in reality, she's missing over 100K every single year, and no one knows where the money is going, okay? Watch it right here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. And as always, peace.